Welcome to week 1 of our Nifty 50 series, 50 companies in 50 weeks. Today we talk about Adani Enterprises Limited or AEL. Adani Enterprises is called the incubator of the Adani Group. But what does that actually mean? Today we break down this giant in simple language, what they do, how they make money, and why they matter to India's growth story. No stock tips, just pure understanding. The company was founded in 1988 by Gautam Adani, started as a commodity trading company. Today, it becomes the business incubator of the Adani Group. AEL starts new businesses, grows them, and spins them off into separate listed companies. Businesses that began in sides are Adani Ports, Adani Power, Adani Green, Adani Transmission. So, what AEL does today? AEL operates in multiple sectors in airports, roads and highways, green hydrogen, data centers, mining services, and solar manufacturing. AEL is like a startup factory, it builds new businesses from scratch. Let's see how AEL makes money. So, AEL makes money through airport operations, road construction and annuity payments, mining services, renewable energy, solar manufacturing. Early stage businesses that later become independent companies. Why AEL matters to India's economy? It builds large scale infrastructure and supports India's energy transition, creates new industries, helps India grow in logistics, airports, and renewable energy. So, this video is for education only, not investment advice. Comment what surprised you most about AEL. Thank you.